What's up people, I'm Samriddhi and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a really fun shooting for me as finally I'm going to show my earring collection to you all. Basically I was not an earring person before, but from last 1 year I'm so in love with them. So if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Now without wasting any time, let's just start the video. So this is the box in which I keep all my earrings. I got this box from my school in that art stuff. I have never done that work, so I'm using this box here. So now I'll show you all my earrings one by one. So the first earrings are these and I got them from Lajpat Nagar. Also, I think the moon in the center makes it more attractive, and silver earrings give a pleasing and a decent look with all the kurtis. So I got them for just 90 rupees. These are my golden jhumkas and I got them for 150 rupees. Also, these jhumkas give a lovely look with lehengas. Golden color suits all the fresh and cool colors very much. Also, I'm so a jhumka person, like I love wearing them. Also, you'll see the whole video in jhumkas only. So, do try it and make your desi lehenga more elegant. I have one more pair of these cool golden chain earrings, and I think it's called chandelier earrings because it's having chain. These are also my favorite because it's a jhumka style and a double jhumka style, so obviously my favorite. These give a elegant and a classy look with all the traditional ones, and we can also flaunt them in wedding seasons too. Next I have are these golden hoop earrings, which I bought for ₹100 from a local shop in my area. These have golden leaves hanging on the hoop and they are the star of the show. Also, these earrings can go with all the looks like a traditional or a western one. The next hoop earrings are these graphite colored ones, and these have a small cute little star connecting all the 7 hoops in between. Also, these earrings go perfect with all the cute dresses. I also have these blue crystal hoop earrings. These give a very pretty and a shimmery look just because it's having these golden and blue beads. Also, I got them for 200 from Sarojini Nagar, and these are my favorite earrings and just my favorite earrings. Next are again jhumkas, and these are very precious in my treasure box. Also, the color beads are so pretty and goes well with all the rainbow outfits. I got them for ₹150 from Sarojini Nagar. These are pure white beaded hoop earrings. I got them for ₹50 from a local market, and these are so lightweight and I just love to wear them with kurtis. These rainbow chandelier earrings are a must-try for every girl out there. Also, the golden hoops are the cup of tea for all the colored beads. I got them for just ₹30, and these are very lightweight. These are my blue crystal earrings with golden jhumkas hanging at its end, and the big blue crystals are the star of the show. Also, this will go perfect with all the blue outfits. Next are these classy silver star drop earrings, and these go perfect with all the one piece or dresses, and I got this for ₹30 from a local shop in my area. Next are my diamond braided drop earrings having black matte heads at its end. Also, these are a perfect earrings for all the outfits, like it's a traditional or a western one, and I got it for ₹190. Next are my white pearl earrings with golden thread at its end. Also, I was very confused to tell it as a traditional or a western ones, and I got this for ₹120. Next are porcupine shaped black puff earrings. These go well with any stylish colors or any sort of color outfits. Also, it is very affordable of rupees 90. So the last earrings are these drop earrings of baby pink color. I just love the design, like this triangle ones, and my brother gifted me this, so I don't know the price, and also these are my favorite ones. So yeah, so this is all for the video. Also, do tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite earring from my collection. Also, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Я с другой земли, тебе такой не найти. Через вселенные